The graph shows the line y is equal to 20x plus 40. We can see that right over there, which represents Naomi's total savings y after x months. So the savings, that's going to be on the y-axis, and then the x-axis right over here is in months. Let me label this. This is given in months. Months right over here. This is total savings. It's actually labeled. Naomi's friend Diego also saves $20 each month, but he starts at $60 in debt. Graph the line that represents Diego's total savings y after x months. Okay, so let's think about it. It's interesting they say also saves $20 each month, and we can see that that is how much Naomi is saving. Every month that goes by, she is saving an extra $20, and I'm assuming that this right over here is in dollars. That's my tip to draw a sideways dollar sign. 1 month goes by, savings goes up by $20. Another month goes by, savings goes up by $20. And we can see that right over here. 20 is indeed the slope. Now, what we see is that Naomi started at month 0, started at $40. So the difference between Naomi and Diego is where they're starting. Diego does not start at $40. He's starting $60 in debt. So we could view that as negative $60 of savings. But from there, he is saving at the exact same rate. Every month that goes by, his savings increases by $20. Every month that goes by, his savings increases by $20. And so I can get the ruler tool here to actually draw a straight line. Let me see if I can do that. So I'm going to go from I'm going to go from that point to this point, and I can now draw the line. So there you have it. I have graphed the line that represents Diego's total savings y after x months.